Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna share some experience, or one of the experience the truckers in Europe do encounter or come across. The issue is that this is 9 p.m. over here in Europe, and from 5, 6, 7 in the European time, we find it difficult to see a parking space to park the trucks. Why did I say so? Because most trucks started very early in the morning, and sometimes when you go to many parking spaces, it has completely filled up. There's no way, there's no how you can park a truck. But what we do when we come across such situation is we park at the roadside of the parking, because in most cases the parkings are always in a filling station where you got all services you need. You can go in there, buy things, take your shower and the rest of them. But in this case, I parked about an hour ago, as I parked about 8 o'clock, and when I got to this place, the parking over here in Belgium, the parking space is completely filled up and there's no how you can park a truck. So I want to show around for you guys to see sometimes how we park and how other trucks park around me. Okay, here we go. So that's the highway.
And there are many trucks over there back at the front, and the other side of the road, let me see if I can get that. Yeah, a lot of trucks parked over there. So there's no how on earth you can see a parking space at this time in all part of the European country. So the problem is that there are a lack of parking spaces that is supposed to be. Maybe they need to build more, and there's no how on earth by this time. Like you can see, this truck is looking for a place to park. There's no how on earth by this time you see a position to park. You see parking spaces all filled up. That everywhere is just filled up. It's just an experience. I feel like sharing to the new truckers to come to see how it looks like. Okay? Have a nice day. Ciao. Bye.